central excise problem on section 4 and 4A, which is based on cum duty. Let me quickly run through the problem for you. SECO Limited, manufacturers of two products, namely K, body lotion, and P, face cream. P is a specified product under section 4A, that is MRP, of CEA, Central Excise Act 1944. The selling price of both the products are rupees 43 per unit and rupees 33 per unit respectively. PU means per unit. These selling prices include basic excise duty 16%, education cess 2%, secondary and higher education cess 1%. It also includes CST at 4%. Additional information: units cleared, product K 1 lakh units, product P 1,50,000 units. Deduction permissible under section 4A is 40%. This is abatement. Calculate excise duty liability of SECO Limited of both the products. To save your time, I have done a little bit of ruling. Let us start with computation of excise duty liability for product P, for product K, which is under section 4. Computation of ED liability, excise duty liability under section 4 for product K, which is a body lotion. K is a body lotion. It is under section 4. That's the normal provisions for us. Cum duty selling price given in the problem is rupees 43. For product K, it is 43 rupees. Cum duty selling price. This is including CST. So for us, the formula is selling price per unit into number of units sold. Selling price per unit is rupees 43. Number of units sold is 1 lakh. So 43 into 1 lakh is 43 lakhs. Less CST given in the problem. It says it also includes CST at the rate of 4%. So less CST, this is an inclusive formula. Because CST is already included, CST is included in this, so we will have to eliminate. This is regular price plus CST in that. So the formula is value into rate by 100 plus rate. With this, if we substitute this formula we substitute the values for this formula, we have value is 43 lakhs, rate is 4%, CST rate is 4% by 100 plus rate. If we tap this on the calculator, 43 lakhs into 4 divided by 104 equals 1,65,384.61, rounded up to 1,65,385. If we deduct this, we are going to get minus 43 lakhs. We are going to get 41 lakh 34,615. This is cum duty selling price only, excluding CST. This was including CST. From that we have removed CST portion. We have got cum duty selling price excluding CST. From this we are going to deduct less ED portion. Again we have a formula. This is inclusive formula. Value into rate divided by 100 plus rate. If we do this, this is the value now, 41,34,615 into rate. Rate is, we'll have to calculate rate, 100 plus rate. We'll let us calculate rate separately here. Rate for our purposes is, let assessable value be rupees 100. ED at the rate of 16%, that is what is given in the problem. BED 16%. So basic excise duty 16% of 100, that is 16 rupees. On that we have an education cess of 2%. So 2% education cess at the rate of 2% of 16. That is, if we tap it on the calculator, 16 into 2% is 0.32. Secondary higher education cess at the rate of 1% of 16. So 16 into 1% is 0.16. If we total this up, we get 16.48. This is the rate, ED rate inclusive of cess. This is what we are going to write here. So it is 16.48, 100 plus 16.48. If we calculate this, if we put this in the calculator, it will be 41,34,000. This is the value. 615 into 16.48 divided by 116.48. It is 5,84,979 rounded off to 980. 5,84,980. This is our ED portion. If we deduct from this, if we deduct from cum duty selling price ED, we are going to get assessable value. So this minus 41,34,615 minus 5,84,980 is 35,49,635. This is our assessable value. With this we have found out the excise duty liability for product K, which is under section 4. Let me finish up the cosmetics part of it, the ruling, the makeup. Assessable value was not asked. However, for the problem completion stage, we have done the assessable value also. So in future, if the problem is going to ask you assessable value, this is how we will find out assessable value. We are required to do only ED portion. We have done that. This is for under section 4. Now let us do under section 4A for product P. This is for product K what we have done. Now we'll have to do for product P under section 4A. Computation of ED under section 4A, that is MRP provisions. Product P. This is face cream. This is face cream. Particulars, calculation, amount in rupees. Now section 4A, we are required to do for product P, MRP, maximum retail price. MRP given, we have a selling price per unit of rupees 33. This 33 rupees is selling price for product P. Product P selling price 33 into number of units sold. Number of units is 1,50,000. 1,50,000 into 33 rupees will be 49,50,000. If you tap it on the calculator, it will be 49,50,000. Let us just check that. I'm usually good at arithmetic. Anyway, let us check. Yes, 49,50,000, 49,50,000. From this, we are going to remove the abatement part of it, less abatement. Abatement given in the problem is deduction permissible under section 4A is 40%. So abatement 40%. So 40% of 49,50,000. If we do that, we'll get 19,80,000. We'll just check this into 40% should be 19,80,000. 19,80,000. This is we are going to deduct the abatement. We deduct this. What we are going to get will be 29,70,000. This is assessable value. This is not assessable value. This is inclusive of duty. Value inclusive of duty. From this, if we use the inclusive formula, BED, basic excise duty, given in the problem is 16%. 16% of, this is again value into rate, inclusive formula. Inclusive formula is value into rate by 100 plus rate. If we do this, we'll get 29,70,000. Rate is 16.48, like how we have done here. The working note 16.48, the same working here into 16.48 divided by 100 plus 16.48. If we do this, 29,70,000 into 16.48 divided by 116.48 equals 4,20,206. It is 4,20,206. I think there's something wrong here. Let me check this arithmetic. 29,70,000. into 16.48 divided by 116.48 is 4,20,206. So we are not required to do assessable value. This from this, if we deduct this, we are going to get assessable value anyway. Let me write it for you, though not asked in the examination question paper. This is one of your exam questions. 29,70,000 minus 4,20,206 equals 25,49,794. We were required to find out the excise duty liability, calculate excise duty liability of the company of both the products. Now we have got for product A, so summary. ED liability of Cisco Limited of both the products put together. Product K we have worked out, and the ED is 5,84,980. Product P, it is 4,20,206. If we total that, we'll get 584,980 plus 420,206, 10,05,186. This is the total ED liability of the company. Let me check the arithmetic once again. Plus 4,20,206 equals 10,05,186. So this is the total ED liability. With this, we have completed this sum. Let me quickly run through this. We were required to find out the ED liability of product K, which is under provisions 4, and product P under sections provision 4A, that is MRP. MRP is dominating section 4. Now first one, product K, body lotion, cum duty selling price. Cum duty means inclusive of duty. If the word cum duty is used, means inclusive duty. Whatever I've written in green pen is not for your exams, it's only your tutorial notes for you to understand. Exam time when you're going through, if you get a doubt, this is how we are going to check this. Cum duty means inclusive of duty. So this inclusive of duty price, so selling price, this 43 includes excise duty and CST. So totally 43 lakhs inclusive of excise duty and CST. Less CST, inclusive formula, because this includes CST. 43 lakhs into 4 divided by 100 plus 4, we get 1,65,385. If we remove that, we get customs cum duty selling price excluding CST, this amount. From this amount, if we remove excise duty, again inclusive formula, value into rate by 100 plus rate, 41,34,615 into rate. Rate we have calculated like this. If AV is 100, basic excise duty is 16% of 100, 16. Education says 2% of 16.32. Secondary higher education 1% of 16.16. ED inclusive of cess 16.48. This 16.48 is the rate we are going to take here. This is into rate, this is plus rate. Into rate, plus rate. Please note this very important thing. Now if we do this, tap it on the calculator, we get 5,84,980. So AV is 35,49,635. We were required to do ED liability. Similarly, we have started with ED for product P, face cream. MRP provisions. Section 4A means MRP provisions. Selling price 33 rupees per unit of product P into 1,50,000 units cleared. So 33 into 1,50,000, 49,50,000 less abatement of 40%, deduction permissible under section 4A 40%. So 40% of 49,50,000, we get 19,80,000. If we deduct this, we get value This is not AV. Value inclusive of duty 29 lakh 70,000. BED 16%, that is inclusive formula value into rate by 100 plus rate. This into rate. Again rate as per our calculation here 16.48. 16.48 into 100 plus rate. It will be 4,20,206. If we deduct this, we'll get AV. Now this is ED for product K, ED for product P, ED for product K put here, ED for product P. Total liability for the company Cisco is 10,05,186.